Hi, this is John Richards. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an action plan. Before I get into that, I want to share with you, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click the bell notification on the side. I'm on a journey to do 90 videos in the next 90 days, and my whole focus is process creates the result. Focus on the process, detach from the outcome, and watch your life change. Hey, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an action plan. The first thing I would say you need to do, you should have an outcome. You just don't want to do actions leading to nowhere. A lot of people do that. They don't know where they're really going, but they're doing work every day, right? They get up and they're just doing a bunch of work, but they don't ever reach any results. That's because they lack priority. So the next thing you want to do, once you have an outcome, and it should be in writing, okay, you have 42% more chance to hit a goal that's in writing than one that's not. There's scientific proof of that, okay? So you want to make sure you write it down very clear. Here's my outcome. Don't be vague. Don't be general. Make sure you're very clear. Next thing you want to do, you want to write down everything you need to do to accomplish that, okay? What are the steps you need to take to accomplish the outcome? You don't want to just take a bunch of steps because somebody else told you to take them. Really think about this. Brain dump. You take a sheet of paper and just write down everything you need to do, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to put those in priority order. Here's step 1, here's step 2, and really think about this. What's the one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else is easier or unnecessary? There's usually a lead domino. That's what you want to identify first. And you want to think, okay, once that's done, what is the next step? Once that's done, what is the next step? And then so on and so on and so on. It's like Darren Hardy was telling me on a training that I went through called Insane Productivity. He says like this big spiral staircase. And at the top of the spiral staircase, you have your outcome, you have your goal. But you have all these stairs. And what happens is most people, they get frozen because they see all these stairs. It's overwhelming. So what you want to do, and here's how he said it. He says, you take the first step. So let's say you have 20 items or 10 items, whatever it is. You try to eliminate fluff and crap and stuff you really don't need to do, and you write down everything you need to do. You put it in priority order. Now you have the first step. And I was actually training some lady last night on a program that I'm in, and I told her, I said, here's the next 3 steps, but do this one first. Don't think about the other 2. Okay, and that's what I'm telling you to do. Do step 1, and don't think about step 2 until step 1 is done. Don't do it halfway. Finish what you start, right? And then as soon as step 1 is done, complete, go on to step 2. Go on to step 3. Go on to step 4, and eventually you have your outcome. That's how you create an action plan, guys. You don't just put a bunch of actions on a list and start taking action because it doesn't get the result. And you don't want to do actions that you're not going to get a result. That's what you call a waste of time. And you might have some milestones along the way. That's something else you could do. You could write, okay, once I hit here, I should be here. Once I hit here, I should be here. That kind of thing. But make sure that you're focused on one step at a time, not 2, not 3. Multitasking does not work. All it does is give you, you can't chase 2 rabbits, you don't catch either one. So focus on one step at a time until you hit your outcome. That's how you create an action plan, guys. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, tell me you liked it. Make sure you comment, tell me what your thoughts are, any other videos you'd like me to do. Hey, also make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification on the side because I'm doing a ton of videos over the next 90 days, not one video in a day for the next 90 days. And you'll get notification by clicking that bell of every video I'm doing. Hey, lastly, make sure you click the link below in my description. That'll get you on my private email list where I give you great value. You'll get all my videos, anything I'm up to, anything I'm doing, anything that I read about a book a week. So anything that I've learned through those books, I'm going to share with you. So if you're looking for a mastermind or a mentor, make sure you click that link on the description. And in the description, that'll take you over and you'll put your name and email address in. I'd love to interact with you. Hey, go out and make it an awesome day today, guys. Thank you so much for being on my list. Thank you so much for watching my video. It just makes me feel good. Thank you. Bye.